We are going to fix our deep well.
Again.
Replace replace the deep well tank, expansion tank. That's the new one.
I close that valve over there too. Oh, turn that switch off. The switch? Oh, that's fine, yeah. Either one, yep. Now you are going to get some water out of that. But you see what I was talking about with sitting right on top.
The socket is a little loosely, bro.
What size did I give you? I'll go get another one.
14?
14, so it should be a 13 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're changing our expansion tank. Placing it. No pressure. Our deep well house needs to change. Naghirig naman ni oy. Delikado na ba ni?
Langon tong kahoy, tiba.
Kulangon?
Langon dito eh. Nagamit, kaya nagamit. Ang mama ko, tuwan, biasa. Kapay.
Pila ra may mahimo?
Ba't makaabot makagtulo?
Ay kung pila ra mahimo na maura.
Hindi na tayo pagabas.
Dili lang sa. Magtigom pa ko kwarta. Wala na ko'y kwarta. Paano ta magpagabas sa liwas? Mga first week sa kuan. First week na sa June kay manon sa ang mga event ba? Ining.
The only thing that's still good is the roof. The roof is very nice, but the rest of it's done.
Yeah, we need to replace.
We did that roof like 8 years ago.
Yeah.
It is still perfect.
It went to the Typhoon Odette and everything.
The bolt before is in there.
I see.
Can I bring this to the top?
Let me get underneath it first, just to make sure that that flange comes off okay. I'm gonna get the wrench under it and pry a little. Okay, go ahead. Nope, not yet.
It's very heavy because it has.
Oh, it's still
Water.
connected. Yeah, that the pipe's moving with you. Here, go ahead and do that again.
You're gonna break the pipe.
Let it break.
It's like
Maybe. Oh, it's already.
loose.
Oh shit, there's still a bolt.
Yeah,
There's still one bolt left.
yeah. That was a test, huh?
I didn't notice it.
We'll set that on the bench there.
Ready?
got it all.
Did you eat, Curdy?
Your foot's full of mud. Relax. Sit down, sit. Sit.
Nakasakay. Ay pa si Bogart kay nakasakay na.
Napasibugad kay ni sakay ni Tito. Sakuan, sakyanan. Imas manggod ka pod.
Everybody's watching Bogart babayan na market.
He sits like a boss.
Oh yeah, now it'll come. Oh, oh. Do it again. There you go.
That's a lot of water.
What, probably 40 liters, maybe 30 liters. I think that was 30.
That's why I couldn't lift it.
It's too heavy. It's a lot of water.
I'll take that one all the way out, and we'll put that flange back on after we get it out. Got a rubber bladder, like a giant inner tube.
I thought it was just a tank.
Yeah, that way the air is separated from water. Okay, so that we'll let it dry a little bit and have a smoke first.
Okay.
You're not in the mud.
Oh!
You're scaring Kuya.
It's not the end of the world if we take the whole thing out too, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Go ahead, you can spin it. Teflon piece on, and we'll put it back onto the tank, and then we can grab a hold of it and spin it off. And the bolts are here. Honey, when I hand the Jim the bolts, we'll put that back onto the tank so we can take our fitting loose. And while I'm here, take that over to the tank over there, honey.
Hindi pa makakapila.
Ang pepino din nagagbang.
Ganit.
Ako yung upo rito ka arka nagpuk kahon.
Ito na ito ang garden, hindi na atas.
Si Kuyan lang patiwas og panday kay amo kanaway na lang ka.
Ito.
Paspas mo pud siya.
Pas mapugod, di lang daghan lang kay kubutuan.
Diba?
Ulan
Huwag ka ni
pod.
paspas man kaw niya kay biyaan man imong ubang trabaho. Siya na lang karon di na ka mag tabok.
Ulan pagit putong ni Aji sa konsol inulan. Ano sila?
You get the razor off already?
Oh, I forgot. You have 3 tanks already.
Yeah, we got some grilling going on. Oh no, the hose is gonna go on the
Okay.
Yeah, you just do that upside right. Just we're gonna put this together on that pipe first.
And then this one.
Yeah, then we're gonna make sure that we gotta make sure that that's able to lean that way. Like that maybe. Get to the bottom of the tank.
Where do we put the tank in here?
Wherever they're gonna do it. Out of the way for now. Not in your way right now. The blue channel locks.
Got it.
Okay. The hands are eating already. My skin big bro.
They like that brown skin,
Yeah, for them it's very tasty.
huh? They think that's lechon skin.
Just kidding.
Are you an engineer, sir? Who's gonna install it? Him. Gonna install it. Ah, okay. Good. He knows how to do it. Are you an engineer, sir?
The sales lady from hardware.
It's like, hey, okay, go ahead and turn it up and then tighten.
Okay.
That's it. And I got the washer in my pocket.
Ah, there's still a washer. Is this gonna go like this, bro?
Okay, well, slide the nut up first. Yeah, there you go. Move the tank a little.
That's perfect. Oh man, I really need to lose weight.
Kit na yung tiyan.
Pangil lang.
His belly's in a way. And Jim Boy's belly's in a way.
I know the feeling.
I think it's enough, bro.
Okay. You want to take it and move it over? No, leave it right there because you're inside of here, so that's good.
Okay. What's next? Do we put a air, big bro?
No, I checked the air pressure already. It's right where it needs to be.
Ah, okay.
I'm gonna turn a faucet on. You can open this valve, the other valve.
And start.
Yep. And I'm gonna turn the faucet on. Let the air out.
Simple pa na itaod. Kaysa katong magbutang-butang pa kag reducer, magbutang pa kag pipe. Yan na anak pa ni mo alsahon.
Kaya po ganun, mahangin lang siya gamay.
Sunod magpagabas ta. Lisa na to ng kuan kani. Kuanan ba ka ng anda yun 8 years na mugod po ni. Kami ra bedo ni team ani nagkuan.
Dali, ramang ko niya kay matanggal naman ang atop.
Ang gani. Ituyo man na namo kay ining magkuha aning pipe. Malusot-lusot isibog naman namo ng atok. We built this 8 years ago. But this building went to Typhoon Odette.
Pump still running right now, you said?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, lights on.
I forgot there's a light.
I didn't even look at it. Still got a lot of air in there. That battery's probably still got a lot of air in it there. But that's how it's supposed to run. What's been happening is, like we run the kitchen sink faucet, the one goes on and on.
Burn the pump.
Yeah, that's running the pump. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down all that.
Dili ba siya takilid?
Ang building may takilid mo gud.
Mao di ay. Nakumpanan ang takilid.
Cardo boy. Cardo boy.
Wait.
Cardo gopo. Gopo Cardo. Dudong Cardo. Still running,
Still
bro.
running. Ayan pa.
How much pressure you got now?
Almost 30. Like 29. Ah, 30.
Muna next mo. Ang isa niya ko ngayon kung pwede ko para sa kapitindog na lista.
Remember that only makes like 9 gallons a minute, 32 gallons a minute.
17 gallons. 61.
You're right. It'll take a little time to fill that up,
Yeah.
and it's getting there.
I mean 72
Yeah,
liters.
Yeah, 70 liters. So what is that? About 30 gallons? Yeah, about 35 gallons.